One, two, one, two, three.
Book 'em now, baby, your cast new spell on me. I say, book 'em.
Ano si Bride sa inyo?
You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your bell bottom pants, I just stand there in a trance. I can't move. You're in the groove. Would you believe, little girl, that I'm crazy about you? Not gone now with your bad self. Ooh. My baby's got the spells on me.
Lahat ng mga desisyon sa buhay dapat diretso na. Wala nang likod-likod. May humps, pero walang likod. Okay? Dilasan mo.
Wearing long hair and things. You got style, girl, that show is wild.
Tuloy nyo lang kung ano yung mga usahan nyo ni Gia. Tiwala at respeto.
Nung kasagsagan ng pagiging makulit ni Veronica, ay, hindi nyo pa nakita umakyat ng bakod yan para tumakas kay mama.
After namin mag-gig, lagi po kami magsasabyup after. So parang wala lang din po yung ginim namin.
Spell on me. Woo, you know?
Mabait ka namang anak eh, pagbutihin mo maging mabuting asawa at mabuting ina.
Okay.
Medyo magtipid.
Okay.
You spell on me.
Something happened when we met, only for you. Those three words when they were said, they were always meant, only for you. Take my hand, like lovers do. Taking chances is easier with you. Taking chances is easier with you. Every moment let us hear it's true, but only you. I've been waiting only for you. All my love is for you. All my life I do. All my life I do. All my love is for you.
Sa harap ng Diyos, ng ating pamilya, mga kaibigan, at ang lahat ng taong naging saksi sa ating pagmamahalan.
I've been waiting.
Hindi kita mahal dahil lang sa kung paano mo ako tratuhin. But I love you for who you are.
Ngayon, pinapangako ko sa iyo na mamahalin kita hindi lang kapag madali ang lahat, kundi lalo na kapag dumating ang mga pagsubok.
Only for you.
Mahal na mahal kita, ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman.
I love you, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life choosing you, loving you, and probably still making fun of you.
I can't stop the nothing I can see but you when you dance.